So the judge is preparing right now to read instructions to the jury, which is expected to take at least an hour, if not longer. How significant are these instructions that the judge will now be telling the jury that they must follow in this case?
They are key because the jury instructions are a roadmap to the jurors when they go and deliberate. And what I mean by roadmap is it lays out each one of the charges: racketeering, transportation across state lines to engage in prostitution, sex trafficking, and each one of the elements as well. Also, the judge lets the jury know that ultimately they are the trier of facts. And what that means is they can weigh the credibility of the witnesses, because that's going to be key for the sex trafficking charge.
I do want to ask you how you saw both the prosecution and the defense, how they did in sort of doing their closing arguments, but also laying out their case to this jury. What did you see on both sides of this?
A tale of two different stories. From the prosecution standpoint, they told a story of Diddy as someone who used power, violence, and fear to get what he wanted. And from the defense standpoint, their position was this case was about love. This case was about jealousy. This case was about infidelity. And this case was about money.